Alright. Hey guys, this is Will. Just gonna do a couple quick walkthroughs today on making web apps for Safe, and I just wanted to do this. I thought maybe the network would be live right now, but we're not, and we're gonna go ahead with it anyway with some of the old ways of working on the Safe network, old data types, old Safe.js, old Safe browser, and we're gonna go ahead with it. Let me know if you can see my screen. You should be able to. Um, wow, okay. Yeah. So, all right. So the easiest way to get started making an app for Safe is just a little web app. So you can make an HTML file right on your desktop. You can just make a text document right here. We'll call it my app, and then just start writing some code. So if this is your first time, then this is what HTML code looks like. Um, there's a couple tags that usually go at the top, but we're going to skip them and just try to do total bare minimum right now. So some important tags are head tag. It's where you put all your kind of header information so that your web page knows what to do. And title, the title gives this title up here at the top. So, whatever you want to call your website, we'll call it Test Safe App. In HTML, whenever you open a tag, you always close it. So you close it with the same tag with this little slash mark. I'm going to make this bigger so everyone can see it. All right. Oh, maybe not that big. Let's do that. Okay. So our first code right here. We have head, title, close the head. Super simple. Body. H1 is a type of header, so make sure header just makes your font really large. So we're gonna call it it's the simplest thing you can do on a Safe app to make it an app. The interfaces with the Safe network is just authorize. So that's all we're gonna do for this first little app, and quick and dirty. And then we're gonna have a button. And this, so when you click the button, it does a JavaScript function, and we're going to make it in a bit, but it's called off. And all right, so now we have our super basic HTML file right here on the desktop, and we opened up a head tag, and we gave it a title, and then we wrote the body, and then we did a big thing of text right here called a H1, and then we made a simple button. So we're going to just close off all our tags because that's good practice. So now we have a whole little web page, and the only thing left is to add that little bit of JavaScript, Safe.js JavaScript for the Safe browser, so that our button actually does something. But first, let's just load up our site and make sure it all works. So I downloaded the Safe browser from Josh's GitHub. This is a old version. MadeSafe took it over, but this is the only version that really works right now. So it's Safe browser 0.4.3, and we're gonna well, we got to convert that into HTML file first. And there's a couple ways to do that. So I have my extensions turned off, but on a lot of computers it shows the extensions like .txt. That's how it should show up on your computer. Mine's not doing that right now, so I'm just going to copy everything over to a HTML file. And it should load up in whatever browser you want to use. So great, HTML file. Got our browser open. And all I have to do is drag it in. Great, so we made our first website. Awesome. And the launcher is supposed to be working, but it looks like MadeSafe took it out, or took it offline right now. So well, we'll give it a shot, but this is the most recent launcher. The dev update should come out sometime today, so we'll be able to have a live network to work with, but we don't right now. So no matter what we do, there's no real way to test it. But this is the launcher, and then this is our browser. And let's go get that little bit of JavaScript to finish off our first part of the lesson here. Alright, so I have a link right here for the lesson plan. It has all the links that we need, everything we're going over. And one of the links I left in here was for the authentication, or app 0. I have a lot of these on different apps saved in my GitHub that you can always just look at the code right there, download them, mess around with them. So there's the link for app 0, and this is what we need right now for the authentication. So this is GitHub just showing all the code for this file, and this is what we need, script. This is another HTML tag. Script tag always means JavaScript. So so we just copied that. This is a JavaScript function. It's called authorize, and this is the safe JS inside it. You create an app, and then it has all these parameters, and then this is the safe JS function that passes it to the JavaScript window object. It's just a part of JavaScript that you deal with, and good practice when you're using JavaScript is always to put your scripts at the bottom near the body tag so that it loads those last, so that it can load up all your page stuff here. It can load it up real fast, and your users are happy, your website users are happy because your page loads real fast and it doesn't have to wait on the JavaScript. So we're going to take that JavaScript code right here, make sure you get the script tags, copy it, you can close this, and then paste it here at the bottom near the body tags. Great, there it is. Safe network JavaScript function. Alright, so we have our web page. I'm going to go back to our browser and then hit refresh so it has all our changes in it. And great. That's really what's supposed to happen if the network was live, and is you're supposed to be logged in here. It'll show your dashboard after you type in your password and everything, and then you click authorize, and it'll give you a prompt right here to authorize this app, this web app or not. And yeah, so that's the first step. That's what we got to do. And great, looks like we're almost out of time on this little recording trial thing. So we did it. That's all that's really supposed to happen so far. We made our first simple web app in like 5 minutes. Great. Okay, I'm going to open up another video now.